Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam need to be online to update. Please confirm your network connection on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type network connection. Comes up view network connections, click on open it. Right click on your internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet. Select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. Click on OK and just close stuff here. Now you just need to restart the Steam and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select as. Now check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.